Right now, these ladies now going to have hot noodle challenge. So them about $1,000. The winner takes all. Anybody finish eating first without drinking water.
Ready?
Hot.
So say 1, 2, 3, go. Take me out, Marcus.
1, 2, 3. Papa Jesus. Yes, sir. Pepper under them skin. The Susie are going to hit like the pepper in there. No, bad, Christian. Christian, don't it too close, kitten. Christian, have hit cool enough here, belly. Oh, man.
I'm going to 10 minutes for drink water.
Yo, him done.
Yo.
Oh, man. Christian like Java.
Christian don't have to take him when he's the bomb. And the winner is Christian.
Yeah, there. Don't know what it's trick.
Christian.
Just bite and swallow it. Because it's not true. Me try that. I'm seeing that. Get this here. I can't try. I'm just bite and swallow. Bite and swallow. Get it to come to me nose. Let's not go to my nose. No, you say buy a drink. You say buy a drink. Buy a drink. You never answer. You never answer. No man, buy a drink. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir, Susie, I did.
That's why I'm saying that swallow. But it's only they are true, I can't true. I'm not going to know the song.
Yes, money that Christian. Susie, why not drink something outside? You don't lose that. You don't lose that.
You don't lose already because I don't eat neither. So I don't lose already.
You better go and drink something before you turn over there. 10 minutes.
I'm really bubble up. When you drink something, you hot a man. What did I say about eating?